Good morning children. Previous class till question number 6 we have solved. Today we will start question number 7. Find the value of x when 6x equal 28 square minus 22 square. How to solve it? We know the identities. What it is? 6x equal 28 square minus 22 square. 6x as it is. This is in the form of a square minus b square. We know the formula a plus b, a minus b. At the side you have to write the identity. A square minus b square equal a plus b, a minus b. Now 6x equal, you have to add this. If you add, it will be 50. Here what is the symbol? Subtract. We have to subtract it. If you subtract, it will be 6. Then cancel this 6 and 6. So x equal 50. Any doubt? I think so. Anyone should not have any doubt. If you have doubt, you clear from me. Now question number 2. 3x equals 17 square minus 14 square. It is also same. 3x equal, it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. We know the identity, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. So 3x equal, if you add, it will be 31. If you subtract, it will be 3. Cancel it. 3 ones are 3 ones are. Then x equal 31. Third question, 19x equal 3 square minus 16 square, a square minus b square. So 19x equal 3 plus 16, 3 minus 16. It is also in the same formula, a square minus b square, a plus b, a minus b. Now 19x as it is, then 16 plus 3, 19, multiply 16 minus 3, that is minus 13, because 16 is greater and its sign is minus. 19 you cancel, then x equal minus 13. Is it clear? Now the fourth question, 43x equal 28 square minus 15 square. Same method, 43x equal 28 plus 15, 28 minus 15. It is also in the same formula, a square minus b square. Identity is a plus b, a minus b. Now 43x equal, if you add, it will be 43, multiply. If you subtract, it is 13. Cancel this 43, x equal 13 is the answer. Is it clear? Now see the question number 8 and 9, both are same. I will solve one, another you can try by yourself. Solve 3x minus 5y whole square and verify the answer for x equal 4 and y equal 2. 3x minus 5y whole square. It is in the identity a minus b whole square. It is in the identity a minus b whole square. Its identity is a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. Here a is 3x and b is 5y. We have to put in place of a and b. 3x whole square plus 5y whole square minus 2 into 3x into 5y. Now multiply it. Square of 3 into 3, 9. X square is x square plus square of 5 into 5, 25 y square minus 2 3 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30 x y. This is the value we got. Now we have to verify. In the question it is said verify, verify. Verify. What is the value of x given? 4, and value of y is given 2. You know, in verify, last class you have learned LHS and RHS. What is the LHS? This question itself is the LHS. What is the question? that is 3x minus 5y, and RHS is what answer you got. First we will solve the LHS. 3x minus 5y whole square, value of x and y it is given, we have to put 3 multiply value of x is 4 minus 5 into value of y is 2 whole square. Now 3 4s are 12 minus 5 2s are 10 whole square. 12 minus 10, 2 square, that is 4. Now RHS. RHS. What is RHS? The answer what we got, that is 9x square plus 25y square minus 30xy. Here also same, the value of x and y is 4 and 2. 9 bracket start 4 square plus 25 bracket start 2 square minus 3 into 4 into 2. Now 9 multiply 4 square is 16 plus 25 2 square is 4 minus 30 multiply 4 2s are 8. Now 16 9s are 144, 25 4s are 100 minus 8 3s are 24, that is 240. If you add this two, this will be 244 minus 240. 244 minus 240, that is 4. LHS also you got 4, RHS also you got 4. So at the last you know what to write. Yes, LHS equal RHS. You know this. Is it clear? Question number 9. Will you try by yourself? You can try. First you solve, then you see my video. Don't see first my video and PDF. You just try first. X upon 3 plus y upon 4 whole square. It is in the form of a plus b whole square. Its identity is a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. Here a is x upon 3 and b is y upon 4. Now the value of a, x upon 3 whole square plus y upon 4 whole square plus 2 into a into b. The value of x square is x square, the square of 3 is 9 plus value of y square will be y square, the value of 4 square will be 4 into 4 16 plus cancel it, 2 1s are 2 2s are 4. Now you cannot cancel anything, multiply numerator and multiply denominator. X into y, xy upon 3 2s are 6. Now we have to verify. Verify what is the value of x given. The value of x is given 9 and the value of y is given 12. First LHS. LHS means this question itself is the LHS. That is x upon 3 plus y upon 4 whole square. What is the value of x? 9 upon 3 plus 12 upon 4 whole square. Now LCM of 3 and 4, or you can cancel it. You cancel it, it will be easy. 3 1s are 3 3s are 4 1s are 4 3s are. What is left? 3 plus 3 whole square. That means 3 plus 3 is 6 whole square. That is 6 square means 6 into 6. That is 6 into 6 is 36. Now RHS. What is RHS? The question what we got. Solution. X square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 plus xy upon 6. Here also the value of x is 9 and value of y is 12. The value of x is 9 square. That means you can write 9 into 9 upon 9 plus value of y square means 12 into 12 upon 16 plus value of x 9 into 12 upon 6. You can cancel it. 9 1s are 9 1s are. Now you can cancel it with the table of 3 or with the table of 2. 2 8 are 16, 2 6 are 12. Again you can cancel it. 2 4 are 8, 2 3 are 6. 4 1 are 4, 4 3 are 12. You can cancel it with the table of 6. 6 1 are 6, 6 2 are 12. What is left in the numerator? 9 plus the next number 3 into 3, 9 plus 9 into 2. That is 9 plus 9 plus 9 2s are 18. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 18. 18 plus 18 is 36. LHS also 36. RHS is also 36. Is it clear?